Karnataka government has now approved a proposal to increase the salaries of state legislatures by 50%. The Chief Minister-led Business Advisory Committee recently sanctioned a 50% hike in salaries for members of the Legislative Assembly and ministers. Prior to this hike, legislatures received a base salary of 1 lakh rupees per month, supplemented by allowances that brought their total monthly earnings to over rupees 3 lakh. I'm joined by my colleague Smita from Republic Kannada newsroom. Smita, this is quite shocking because the Home Minister has also given a reaction which we're going to try and play out, where he said that just like the common man, the expenditure of the MLAs is also increasing.
We have accessed the Home Minister of Karnataka, that is Dr. G. Parmeshwar's reaction also on the salary hike. Before that, we have Republic Kannada have also got the draft of the proposed hike in the legislature salary, which the government of Karnataka has given a green flag already. See, the complete hike, weighs up to 100% hike. For example, an MLA used to get a salary of basic salary. I'm not speaking about the other allowances, but the basic salary of 40,000, which will be hiked up to 80,000 from now on. And a minister was getting a salary, basic salary up to 60,000. Now it will be 1,25,000. Now, the Home Minister is giving, clarification that like every common person, even the people representatives also are in an urge to get more salary. But the same minister, that is Home Minister Dr. G. Parmeshwar, had openly admitted that the guarantee schemes are becoming a weightage to the state exchequer, and the state exchequer is going under burden because of the 5 guarantees. Well, now the same Home Minister says that it is inevitable to hike the salaries of the MLAs and the minister. This is going to be a big debate in the assembly, which is ongoing as of now.
All right, Smita, thank you for giving us those details.